Welcome back in the kitchen again with Chef Ricardo Cooking Show, guys. Amazing to be in the kitchen giving you favorite recipes. But today we're going to be giving you a lovely, beautiful, fantastic, and an amazing. This is going to be a healthy, very, very healthy, delicious juice recipe from Chef Ricardo. I got some cucumber, fresh mint, a lot of ingredients, and I'm going to be showing you how you can do this one at home. So welcome. Remember, follow me on Instagram and my Facebook page, Chef Ricardo Cooking, and don't forget to click on the notification bell. Subscribe is very important for you guys, that you don't miss none of my video. So stay tuned in, and I'm going to be showing you. I'm really excited about this video because it's something totally different which I want to share with you, alright? And not only that, it's a very healthy, delicious recipe for you to make at home. Stay tuned in with Chef Ricardo in the kitchen with a beautiful recipe with you again. Welcome, guys. So basically this is all of my ingredients which I have right here, and as you can see, I got my healthy, juice jug right here, which I'm going to be doing my blending inside of. But the first thing I want to say to you guys, what I'm going to do, because stew is a lovely, beautiful, fantastic, and an amazing, healthy juice, what I'm going to do, I'm going to be starting off with some fresh mint. We all know that the fresh mint, there's a lot of things which is good for you for fresh mint. I'm going to be simply breaking off some leaves, just like this, and I'm going to pop it straight inside of my blender like this right here, guys. Honestly, it is fantastic and lovely and delicious. This is the sparks of the mint, which you don't want to use this bit. You want to put this bit in the bin. Alright, guys, beautiful. Anyway, we have some flat parsley, and we all know that flat parsley is just amazing to use in all these kind of things. So I'm gonna pop some flat parsley inside of it. The beautiful thing is it's just an amazing healthy juice. Alright, so what I'm gonna do, I have apple and I have some celery, some fresh organic ginger, and we all know that organic ginger works perfectly in detoxing, weight loss food. One man said we've been using fresh ginger, garlic, all of these things for the last 200,000 years. A lot of people have been using all these ingredients. But the thing is, what I want to do, I'm gonna be showing you. I'm gonna get the apple first, and I'm gonna cut up roughly about half of an apple right here, as you can see. All right, and I'm gonna cut it up into some small pieces, all right, to use inside of the blender. All right, so these are the apple which right here, and this is the bits where you want to cut them. So I'm gonna pop them straight in the blender. Beautiful. So we got the fresh mint, flat parsley, and some beautiful green apple. And the beautiful thing is, green apple are very good for you. It's bringing a lovely sweetness to this smoothie. So basically, you don't need to add any sugar, any honey, any sweetener, any nothing. You just want to drink it natural, organic like this. So what I'm gonna say also do, I'm gonna put some celery inside of it. It is a beautiful drink. And that's some celery which I'm using inside of it. And I'm using roughly about 1.5 sticks of celery, roughly about 1 stalk of celery stick inside of it. Beautiful. Look at that. Fantastic. And these are so an amazing, guys. Just cut them so simple but also delicious. Alright, beautiful. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna pop them straight in our blender like this. Alright, beautiful. You know what? We're just going to be using all of this celery. Alright, beautiful. Now, cucumber, 95% of cucumber is water. We all know that the other 5% is just fiber. Alright, so what we're going to do, we need to add some cucumber to our juice, which we're going to make right here. Some people remove the skin, but to be honest, you don't need to remove the skin. You can just do it naturally like this. Alright, and I'm cutting up it. Beautiful. Look at that, guys. That is fantastic and amazing. Beautiful, lovely, and delicious. The thing is, I have the ginger, which I'm going to be putting just a little piece of a ginger, and I'm going to simply remove the skin from the ginger like this, and I'm going to simply cut it up like this. Alright, beautiful. But there is one secret ingredient which I want to share with you today, which is a must. We have to get some lemon. So I'm going to get some lemon to put inside of it, and I'm going to be using roughly about half of a, and what we want to do is cut the lemon into half. Alright, make sure you always remove the seed from the lemon. Some people does not the seed, but it's very important for you to remove the seed from the lemon. Alright, so we're going to remove the skin, which is important also. Alright, let's remove the skin. It's just amazing. Alright, so yeah, that's it. Remove the skin and we are good to go. But there's one more secret thing which we also need to do. we need to just add a little bit of liquid to this right here, and I'm gonna use some natural spring water to this one right here, roughly about quarter cups of water to heat. Guys, this is amazing, fantastic, beautiful, and delicious. The thing is, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna be blending it for roughly about 2 to 3 seconds. All right, so if I go over it again and I'm gonna name my ingredients, as you can see, we got the fresh mint, celery and parsley, apple and ginger, and we got lemon and cucumber. It is beautiful, fantastic, and amazing. Right over here, come over with the camera, as you can see. Right over here, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna be doing a little bit of blending right over here. All right, guys. So if you see, I'm going to make roughly about 2 to 3 seconds worth of nice by blending this, and I'm gonna make half of a lemon right here. So hold on, right here. Put the camera, as you can see. This is what I'm going to do right here, guys. And as you can see, this is amazing. Let's blend this. It's gonna make a little bit of a noise, but not gonna be for long. That was perfect. All right, that was perfect, guys, honestly. Now, as you can see, I blend all of my ingredients right there, and that is just delicious. All right, and as you can see, you know, as I said, guys, it is fantastic and amazing, beautiful. Zoom it up on it, let us see exactly what I'm talking about. Put up the camera a little bit close to it. Beautiful, guys, and as you can see, look at that. All this inside of it is just like fiber, and the fiber is just perfect, which is inside of it. All right, now to be honest with you guys, what we're gonna do, let's pour it out into our jar right here. Let's say guys can see exactly what I'm talking about. Beautiful, fantastic, that looking good. Now what we're gonna do is pour this inside of our cup right here, and this is just beautiful to drink in the morning on a empty stomach after you drink a nice lovely cup of hot lemon tea or whatever. But I got some secret recipe which I normally use in my ingredients sometime, and to be honest, I like to use some chai seeds. All right, and I'm going to put roughly about half teaspoon of chai seeds into it. This is beautiful, guys. This is just an amazing recipe for you to drink in the morning, or you know what I mean, you can have it in the evening for an evening snack, whatever time you want to have it. But it is just fantastic and an amazing 100%. All right, it's just beautiful 100%, guys. Beautiful, fantastic, lovely, and also delicious. And hopefully you guys will definitely love this one. All right, thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo, and as I say, it's just a perfect end to weight loss detoxing drink. And also you can add some apple cider vinegar if you are a person who is interested in apple cider vinegar. But I will definitely come with you guys with another healthy recipe, and this is just amazing, fantastic, lovely, and delicious, beautiful. And to be honest, I will definitely come with more healthy juice recipe. Thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo. Please leave your comments in the description box. Please tell a friend, and a friend tell a friend. We have a lot more coming from Chef Ricardo. Bye bye.